the present and the past continuous. Here's a chart that can help you understand the relationship between the past and present continuous and other tenses. These are the two that we'll be focusing on. The core meaning of the continuous tense remains the same in the present tense and the past tense. Both the present and the past continuous describe an activity in progress or a repeated action. Here are a few examples of the present continuous tense to express an activity in progress or a repeated present action. She is studying for her exam right now. George is kicking a ball in the backyard. Here are a few examples of the past continuous tense to express an activity in progress at a specific time in the past or a repeated past action. She was studying for her exam yesterday. They were dancing all night long. You might have noticed a pattern in the way the continuous tense is formed. She is studying for her exam right now. George is kicking a ball in the backyard. They were dancing all night long. We have the verb to be followed by an ing form of the verb. We begin with to be in either the present or the past tense, and then the following verb takes ing. Here's a reminder of how to conjugate the verb to be in the past and present tenses. And here are 4 rules to help you write verbs in their ing form. First, just add ing. Many verbs, such as talk, cry, and go, simply require that you add an ing to the end. Talking, crying, going. What about for verbs ending in a silent E? Well, verbs such as write, lose, and live, which end with a silent E, require that you delete the E before adding ing, as follows: writing, losing, living. Verbs ending in ie, such as lie, die, and tie, which end with ie, require that you change the ie to a y, and then add ing. Lying, dying, tying. And finally, verbs ending in vowel-consonant. Verbs such as stop, swim, and get, which end in a vowel and then a consonant, require that you double the last letter and add ing. Stopping, swimming, getting. In case you didn't know, there are 5 vowels in the English alphabet: A, E, I, O, and U. The rest of the letters are consonants. Try writing the following sentences in their present progressive form. And here are the answers.